guys.
What's up?
What's up?
You don't have to.
You don't have to.
Anyways, what are we doing today?
What are we doing today?
You have to say. So, I'll
Anyways,
explain
you don't cook.
I'll explain what we are doing today. So
Oh.
today what we did was we ordered food from not from all, but a few restaurants.
We ordered weirdest food items we found in the menu in some Indian restaurants in Winnipeg.
Yeah. So how many restaurants? So we ordered from 4 different restaurants, but I ordered.
We have
around-
5, right?
No, I ordered 6.
6? Oh, 6
Yeah.
items.
And there are few items that you also don't know.
Oh wow!
I was going through the menu
Surprise.
again. Yeah, I was going through the menu again, and I
Yeah.
found few.
Yeah.
So it's going to be two items would be a
Yeah.
surprise for you. Most of the restaurants here are almost North Indian. तो फिर maybe
वहाँ मिलता होगा.
वहाँ मिलता होगा, and also maybe because if say we are from Mumbai, right? Not say we are
Yeah.
from Mumbai. तो मतलब
What say?
मुंबई में नहीं मिलती होगी ये चीजें. Might be पंजाब, हरियाणा, कश्मीर वो साइड मिलती हो. Who knows?
Maybe.
Say something. So I have all the food items ready here.
We have all the food items ready.
We have. Okay.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
So the
Hey.
first item that we are trying is coleslaw. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Maybe my
Coleslaw.
pronunciation is wrong. ठीक है.
It's coleslaw. Ooh. Hey, maska bread. Ooh.
You take the first bite.
You take the first bite. You ordered it.
Okay. Let me tell you where this is from.
Where this is from?
This is from Apna Spicy Hut.
Apna.
We are trying
Nah.
coleslaw from Apna Spicy Hut.
You are taking the first.
No, you
अरे
take
नहीं
it.
आप खाओ बड़े दिन बाद आए अरे आप खाओ
Please.
अरे खाओ
It's actually good.
Is it?
What do you think? I think we've eaten something ऐसा before. I have
Yeah.
eaten.
I think the same.
What do you think that? So I think there is carrots,
There's cabbage,
green onion,
bread.
butter, red chili powder, salt and pepper. Yeah. How much would you rate this?
Oh, rating.
I would give it 8.5.
Why?
I just like it. I like it is a very light food. मतलब मैं कभी भी ऐसा खा सकती हूँ.
This is breakfast. I felt it was
Okay,
too.
you don't even have to give this a rating. This was just there. I just rated because
No,
I wanted.
I will rate it.
No.
It was too bland for me, and I personally feel कि at least bread को toast करना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल नहीं, मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं अच्छा लगता. तू
So I will give it a solid 6.
Solid 6 नहीं होता.
Solid
Only
6.
6 होता है. Solid 10 होता है.
6.
Now,
Oh,
this is creamy soya chop.
it's just soya chop की सब्जी.
But मैंने
Why
सोचा-
would you order?
You know what?
What?
Be quiet.
Be quiet.
Okay.
Be positive, not quiet.
And this is missa roti. Missa paratha.
But तूने ये क्यों order किया?
Bro.
खाओ creamy सब्जी खाओ.
I ordered creamy soya chop, thinking कुछ अलग होगा, creamy
Thinking.
होगा.
The problem is not the sabzi, not the ordering.
And
Problem
then
is
I-
your thinking. Just touched a bullet.
मेरे को ना ये क्या लग रहा है पता है आदर्श? थेपले का मोटा वर्जन.
नहीं है तू गलत है sorry.
आदर्श,
Sorry to
see
bring
if
it
you
to
look at it, थेपला नहीं लगे क्या?
Appearance are deceptive.
Okay, I'm just going to give. ये ऐसे ही खाना होता है.
Oh, इसको इसके साथ नहीं हाँ.
वो तो
तो why are they together?
मैंने किया together.
Simian.
Bro, this literally tastes like thepla. See, I think इसमें of course अजवाइन तो है ही, जीरा भी है.
Coriander.
I think methi, jeera also. See, I spotted a jeera.
Oh.
Anyways, now I'm going to try this with sabzi.
Try it.
With creamy.
Soya chop. Weird for her. See how weird. वो उसमें वो सोया लेना पड़ता है, अंदर आएगा. No, sabzi is not good or thepla is not. I mean, missi paratha is not. Missa paratha.
I think this is just very salty.
Mm-hmm.
3
Yeah.
pieces of soya in this box. I mean, for the price that we are paying,
How much was it for?
this was just for $6.
Hmm.
So I think it
That's
is a
good.
pretty good deal for $6.
good
Like
deal.
3, and then
Enough cooked for $6.
yeah, and I think for the
Sorry,
pieces
cooked
too,
enough for $6.
and pieces too. Like the pieces are big also.
Hmm.
है ना?
Yeah.
So for $6 it is great. And
It
this
is
paratha,
amazing.
this big paratha was only for मतलब $3. Comparing to बाकी सब चीजें compare कर तो
It's pretty
it is
good,
a deal.
good.
मतलब उस हिसाब से तो this was अच्छा ही.
So I will give 9 to Missa paratha. It was really good. Can have it again with many things. Sabzi I'll give it 7.5 because I felt it little khara, salty. I also feel it's a bit spicy.
I asked
मतलब
them to make spicy.
Spicy as in कि सब blend नहीं हुआ, ऐसे मुंह में ऐसा लग रहा है कि सिर्फ
Ah,
मसाला आ
okay,
रहा
okay.
है.
समझा. According to me, this missa paratha was 8.5.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely. The only thing I don't like, it's very oily. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा oil है.
That's the real taste.
ठीक है. और फिर जब अगर टिफिन वगैरह में if you have to take तो फिर it would be very difficult, पूरा गंदा हो. और सब्जी I liked सोया खाने के बाद it
True.
changed the taste in my mouth. So I would definitely give this like आराम से 7.5.
That's what I gave it.
Is it? अच्छा, I thought you gave 8. ठीक है. 7.5 from me and then 8.5 for this. So अपना spicy hut, love it. For the price,
Absolutely.
chef's kiss. The next dish that we have is
It's chole poutine. Chef Sanjot Kheer will take over from here.
okay. So it's French fries and they add cheese curds to it. Cheese curds is look at a picture here. मतलब ऐसा कुछ दिखता है वो.
Cheese curd.
Cheese curds and they add gravy. अभी अपन के दिमाग में
अपन गुजराती.
अपन के दिमाग में ग्रेवी इज वेरी डिफरेंट ना, मतलब अपन सब्जी की ग्रेवी इज कॉल्ड ग्रेवी, बट इधर ग्रेवी इज वेरी डिफरेंट. मतलब दे हैव अ वेरी डिफरेंट डेफिनेशन ऑफ ग्रेवी एंड दे ऐड द ग्रेवी इन पुटीन ओनली. तो इट्स लाइक फ्राइज, ग्रेवी एंड कर्ड.
Chunks. Cheese chunks.
Cheese curds.
Cheese curds.
Yeah, Cilantro is the name of the restaurant. They had this dish that was called chole poutine or something like that. It is a little pricey. The quantity is काफी good, I have to say, but I'm not sure about the taste. Okay, let's give it a try. Come on. I wasn't excited for this at all.
Oh, I was excited because it's weird.
And I'm not. I'm a very sabzi roti girl.
Sabzi roti girl. Cheers, buddy. For old time's sake.
I really like it. I can taste
Even I like it too. First bite was weird, but if you mix it and then have it now.
Yeah.
It's
See,
good.
the thing is, इनके fries का taste अलग है. If you just eat a fries ना तेरे को पता चलेगा. But how much would you rate this, Adarsh?
I will give it 8. 8.
I would give this 8.5. I'm taking my rating back.
Mirchi ka
क्योंकि yeah, I'm giving it 7.5. Only because I asked them to make spicy. वो लोग ने मिर्चियाँ काट के डाल दी.
Okay. What do we have next, guys?
From Sharma Ji's restaurant, we have
Oh God, this is the most I'm worried about.
noodle samosa.
Noodle samosa.
मुझे टिश्यू लाना पड़ेगा, उसमें बहुत ऑयल है. And this is from
This is from
Sharma Ji Sweets and something like that.
Sharma Ji. Sharma Ji का बेटा noodle samosa बना रहा है अभी.
Oh God, what is this level of oil?
Oh.
You know what, I may spill.
Feels like I'm doing something illegal. Visually not very appealing. So this is definitely something you don't want to have.
My point is, it's like समोसा भी है, नूडल्स भी है, राइट? दो चीज है, तो यू आर नॉट एबल टू, जब दोनों को साथ में टेस्ट नहीं कर पा रहे, बट इफ यू आर सेपरेटिंग इट ना, ऐसा मतलब समझ सिर्फ कोर आ रहा है ना, तो इट फील्स गुड कि
तो
हाँ
वैसे ही तो
समोसा.
समोसा का कोर तो you like, तो you are saying that you like samosa.
You know what actually saying, जब दोनों खा रहे हैं ना, कुछ टेस्ट नहीं आ रहा है. It's just आटा.
Good
it just
taste versus good taste, then it's all a taste.
kind of, yeah. I honestly saying it is
But
not.
it feels like it's just eating atta.
Yeah, it kind of just feels like आटा, और ऐसा मतलब कि ये सिर्फ कोर खा रहा है, ऐसा नूडल्स उसका टेस्ट पूरा खा जाता है, और the
And
oil
too
is the
much
bigger,
oil.
that is the biggest turn off for me. Like
Crazy oil, bhai, crazy.
no, like I would rate this 4 out of 10.
First point, it had too much oil.
Yeah,
Second, that samosa ka core is too thick. And third is noodles में भी कोई taste नहीं था if you just eat
हाँ
noodles.
हाँ, it's very ऐसा
हाँ.
salt, pepper, red
हाँ,
chili
बस
powder,
ऐसे.
बस ऐसा.
हाँ. I think I'll give it 3 because nothing was good and it's not good for your health as well.
True. Coming to our next
Fourth.
dish.
Fourth dish. Fourth
That
is it?
is-
No, first, second, third, fifth dish. Oh wow, we are on fifth already.
Pizza momos. They tried creating pizza देख ऊपर से.
हाँ, but pizza one side हो गया. अमृतसरी कुलचा point.
You got it.
अमृतसरी कुलचा.
Yeah. So I'm always hesitant to try it from a different place. Like I just cannot. But
Okay.
this was a very different dish, pizza momo, or they've tried creating and making
Pizza.
ऐसा pizza, but I don't
But-
know. I think क्योंकि देख others
Side
delivery
of it.
वगैरह में it
Yeah.
kind of ruins everything. So I don't blame them.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
I am excited for this one. For chutney, always dip it first in mota chutney and then you dip it in patla chutney. So you get both of it.
Chewing.
Okay.
Let me go first. I took a first bite. ठीक है? I felt the core was too kadak. मतलब you had to keep on chewing. I couldn't fail the masala inside. That was my first reason.
Couldn't.
Taste the masala that was inside, the stuffing that was inside. ठीक है? और फिर काफी कड़क था, मतलब वो जो ऐसे शेप करके बनाते हैं ना, वो जो इधर जो बनता है ना शेप हुआ
हाँ,
ऐसा,
वो मोदक गणपति में खाते हैं.
हाँ वो एकदम ही कड़क था. इट वाज लाइक I'm not happy. There's so many things going on here that it's hard to taste what's happening. That's my biggest point. That's my biggest takeaway from this. You go ahead.
The base sauce they had something that orangey. It's very like Indian street style pizza.
Oh, समझा.
Yeah,
हाँ,
the
हाँ, हाँ,
Viva sauce you get.
अच्छा
The
वीवा सॉस
base
वाला.
sauce.
हाँ 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 हाँ.
An Indian street style pizza you
समझ
have
गया,
वहाँ
हाँ,
पे
हाँ.
होता है. I'll give it 7.
Oh, I'm
Yeah.
going to say my rating would be
Would be
6.5
6.5. Why?
because I think it's very hard. मैंने पहले ही बोला कि it's very chewy, ऐसा अलग texture है. But नहीं, there's a lot of things going on. There's no taste. There is taste, but it's hard to taste what is going on in here. मतलब I can taste a lot of oregano for sure, but मैदा, I can taste a lot of मैदा
Yeah,
in here.
we
Like
made
वो
up of
और
मैदा.
all purpose flour जो भी तुम कहते हो, उसका टेस्ट बहुत ज्यादा है.
Okay. Anyways,
Moving on to our next item
final item.
of the day, of the night,
What is this?
dosa paratha. Dosa paratha.
Dosa paratha from
Kulcha point.
अमृतसरी कुलचा पॉइंट से तो एक ही चीज आई थी.
No, two. I ordered. I
Okay. अमृतसरी कुलचा पॉइंट से तो नूडल्स समोसा आया ना. नहीं.
No. Okay.
No. Oh, dosa paratha, guys.
I got a
What
dosa.
even? It's aloo paratha.
Dosa.
It looks like aloo paratha because we can see the aloo.
I like the cute dabba.
Anything polka dots you like. Polka dot dosa, love it. Good.
भाई क्या चीज है? Mind blown. Mind. Wow. भाई literally wow है ये.
It's normal aloo paratha, guys. There's no dosa in this. Dosa होता तो at least dosa की red chutney, dosa's white coconut chutney, dosa sambar
Sir,
में भी अच्छा लगता.
it is called paratha.
But it's also called dosa.
First of all, I like कि the आलू का मसाला is on point. मतलब तुम डोसे में जो मसाला डोसा का मसाला होता है, it tastes exactly the same. The दही वाला combo is a little weird, but I get it because वो लोग पराठा को पुश करने की ट्राई कर रहे हैं, नॉट डोसा. इसलिए I am going to rate this 9 out of 10. I like it, and I think if this was fresh, like fresh as in just like served very like hot and warm, this would have been like 10 on 10, definitely.
What makes dosa different is it's the outer core. Okay? That's what makes dosa different. And then if you use the inner masala in every different thing, it becomes that dish. So if I use it in a paratha, it becomes aloo paratha. If I use it in something else, it will become something else. So to the uniqueness they have tried to do here, it's not going well together. It feels like aloo paratha. It's clearly aloo paratha. Okay? So for that reason, I will give it a 5 because taste is good. Because aloo paratha is good.
Hey, not fire. That's too bad. Arey
Maybe some
sir,
sort. What?
it is kulcha place, okay? It's Punjabi
Then why
restaurant.
dosa paratha?
Okay, मेरा थोड़ी रेस्टोरेंट है, मैं क्यों इतना उससे लड़ रही हूँ?
Okay. Yeah, so 5. I'll go with 5. It's good as aloo paratha, but it's not good as dosa paratha.
Adarsh,
Hmm.
from all the food that we've tried,
Yeah.
from all the weird combinations, if you had to pick a winner,
Huh.
what would it be?
Noodle samosa. No. I'm kidding. I'll do chole chaat poutine.
Ooh,
I'll
do
do
your
something.
pizza हो ना?
What? I like. You said best of everything. वो उनमें best था उसमें.
For me, dosa paratha is the winner. Dosa paratha from Amritsari Kulcha Point is the winner for me, guys.
For me, it's chole chaat poutine from Cilantro.
Cilantro's. Okay, guys, this was awesome. I mean, I wouldn't have ever tried ऐसा कुछ सा like going.
When you're hungry.
Yeah, going to a restaurant and buying noodle samosa. No, I would have not. But
Thank God you would have.
yeah, for the video I did.
Yeah.
But this was a great experience. All in all, like I don't think dosa paratha would have been my favorite dish. Who knew? But it was great. Like, thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. Our video.
And if you want more food reviews, then make sure you drop that comment.
So we had to order it online. So it was very expensive. So please help us out by subscribing, liking,
And commenting.
and also sharing this video for all.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you should
Anyway.
check out the last video where I proved myself something.
Until we see you.
Oh, now that proves why you like dosa. Sorry, dosa, paratha, whatever.
Anyways, thank you guys for watching our video. Until we see you. Bye.
Bye.